Hi guys, this is King of Jokes with Ruler M8 over here. I'm sure you know him. He doesn't post that much videos, but I'm going to be posting much more. There's going to be a category of videos about him which are particularly embarrassing.
Go and check out my channel. Make sure you go and check out my channel. Yeah, subscribe to both of us.
Check out my channel more than his. I want you to see my videos.
Subscribe to both of us, and yeah, basically that's like and subscribe, and yeah, let's see our first target. What is our first target?
Embarrassing moment.
Of subscribers.
Oh, I don't know.
First one is 10. First target.
Okay, 5 is 10.
First target is always 10 or 5. So yeah, I'm gonna subscribe to him, and you're gonna subscribe to me, and yeah, so yeah, make sure you subscribe to me and him, and yeah, you can do your outro.
Bye guys. See you next time.